Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can clean up space from your Google Drive. So if your Google Drive is filling up and you want to clear some space out of it, then follow these simple steps. First, let's access our Google Drive either via the desktop application or using any web browser of your choice. Then once you're in the home page, simply click on this storage button right here on the left hand side. Now once you're in the storage tab, you can see this clean up space option right here. Simply click on this clean up space and it will open you another tab and it will show you the statistics of your current drive storage situation. From here you can see that these files are currently in the trash and there are some 567 MB worth of large files, and there are also some emails with large attachments with constitutes of 14 MB. So if you want to review them and delete them, you can click on this review button right here and it will take you back to the trash. So you can simply delete these from the trash, and here you can see that this will permanently delete the files and you can choose to permanently delete them. So you have got 48 kilobytes of memory back, and then you can save the space using this feature again by clicking going through the process again. And here you can see this, the large files are left, and you may choose to review them again by clicking on the review button. And here you can see that there are some large videos that you don't want. So if you don't want these videos, you can simply click on this delete button right here and just click on this check mark and click on the permanently delete button to delete them permanently. I won't be deleting them since I kind of need these videos right now to exist on my drive. Then you can again go to the repeat the same step, and here you can see the other option which says email with large attachments. So you can click on the review button, and here you can see that I do not require these two emails, so I will simply click on them, choose both of them, and simply click on the delete button right here, and I'll check the mark and choose permanently delete button. And here you can see that I have just saved 14.8 megabytes of data or storage. So by this technique you can actually it is more easier to see what files or folders are clogging up your space, and you can save a ton of space using this technique. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.